Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to log into ZOE. ZOE is an interactive online sessions which allows students to work one-to-one in real time with the instructors. Students can interact through a personalized learning program custom designed for each student in order to attain mastery and retention and to build confidence. To log into ZOE, go to your web browser. Once you click it open, type in www.zoe.com and press the enter. Now, from the official website, click on the login button at the upper right corner in order to log into your account. In the pop-up window, enter your credentials in order to log in. In the first text field, enter your username or your email address. You can enter any one of them. Now, in the password text field, type in your password correct. If you want to double check your password before moving on, click on the eye icon and reveal your password so that you can double check it. In case you've lost your password, then you can click on lost your password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you want the system to remember you, then check this box right here that says remember me and click on the login button. That is how you can log into ZOE Learning. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes soon. Goodbye till then.